Building unstoppable confidence is about developing a strong mindset, taking consistent action, and reinforcing positive beliefs about yourself. Here's a step-by-step approach. 1. Master your mindset. Reframe negative thoughts. Replace self-doubt with empowering beliefs. Instead of "I can't," say "I am learning." Focus on strengths. Regularly remind yourself of past successes. Stop seeking approval. Confidence grows when you rely on your own validation. 2. Take bold actions. Step outside comfort zones. Growth happens when you challenge yourself. Embrace failure as learning. Every setback is a lesson, not a loss. Practice confidence. Act as if you're already confident, and it will follow. 3. Develop a strong physical presence, posture, and body language. Stand tall, make eye contact, and use open gestures. Dress with intention. Looking good can make you feel good. Speak clearly and slowly. Confident people communicate with certainty. 4. Build a winning routine, daily affirmations. I am capable and unstoppable. Visualization. Picture yourself succeeding before you even start. Healthy habits, exercise, sleep, and nutrition impact confidence. 5. Surround yourself with positivity. Limit negative influences. Avoid toxic people who bring you down. Find a supportive tribe. Confidence is contagious. Be around uplifting people. Give and receive encouragement. Help others grow, and your confidence will expand. 6. Develop skills and knowledge. Always be learning. The more competent you are, the more confident you'll feel. Practice, practice, practice. Mastery breeds confidence. Stay prepared. Whether it's a speech, a meeting, or a challenge, preparation reduces fear. 7. Keep promises to yourself. Build self-trust. Do what you say you'll do, even in small things. Set and achieve small goals. Each win builds momentum. Stay consistent. Confidence is built over time with repeated actions. Confidence isn't something you're born with. It's something you build. Which of these steps do you think will help you the most right now?